Yeah. Okay, guys, we're going into a construction site because we found this thick hole. We want to explore it.
Oh, dude, is there like a road right here?
I bought a Hi-Viz. Yes, I did. It's cool.
Oh, damn, that's really visible. Watch. I see. Should we make a left right now?
Sure.
It's not the hole.
It's not?
Oh,
Fuck!
is it? It is. It is.
Oh yeah. We made it, boys. Let's just go for it. I've never done something this fucking sketchy before. Mm-hmm.
Here.
This was sick. I'm still working here right now, like... This is insane. Guys, I've never done something like this before.
Oh, it's all wet.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's getting damp down here. It's like 30 degrees today. 30 degrees Celsius for you Americans who think that's Fahrenheit.
Dude, it's 5:09.
It's only 5:09, and we're like already here. It's just kind of an exploring thing. Might be a little dark for you guys to see on video. I'm gonna pull up my flashlight, my phone flashlight, just because it's not very good in low light. Echo! Yo, I hear there's water dripping down there.
I just want to find Hi-Viz.
Oh, I just did something unlucky. I just walked on the under a ladder. I walked under a ladder. That's not good.
Let's go to the slide.
All right. Yo, you guys can see the water. Stop peeing off everything. No. I don't want to do this. Fine, I'll go take a picture of you. I'll take a picture. All right. Ooh. You want to just go?
let me show the camera. Let me show you something. Imagine walking across those beams. I might do that, but like it's kind of blocked off. But I'll try. Back to Vaughn.
We're gonna do some sick stuff, dangerous things. So if we die, you better subscribe.
If you die, you'll probably never see this video.
Probably God's. Also, if we don't die, you have to subscribe.
What if you just like see it with the camera and hopefully someone sees it?
Yeah. It's getting lighter. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I know I did. No homo. That's not reassuring. Oh crap. Yo, look at my hands. I think I have like Ebola or something. Kinda.
I don't know, I was walking. Okay.
This guy's crazy. Crazy, dude.
You have Hi-Viz anywhere?
Yeah, but just don't end on this one getting down. What is this stuff?